Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, check out what I have today that is being launched today. This is the NanoHawk from EMAX. This is a really tiny drone. Now, whenever DJI, Autel, or EMAX launch a product and send it to reviewers like me, they send this type of document, which is basically make sure you talk about all these points. So I'm just going to read off the points, the ones that are important, and show you some images while I read them off. Here we go. So it is a 65mm size wheelbase. It's supposed to be the smallest FPV drone from EMAX ever to date. They say it's about 19 grams dry weight. You can see on my weight scale here, it's a little bit more that my scale is showing, and when I add the battery, we're up to about 30 grams. It uses 0802 1900 kV brushless motors, which are actually really good for something this small. The camera up front is so tiny, it's one of those little pinhole cameras. It's a Runcam Nano 3. It's not bad. It's pretty decent for the image that goes into your FPV goggles, so, you know, it's perfectly usable for flying around FPV indoor or outdoors. Now I love this one. It has 5 amp ESCs. Now a lot of the drones I review sometimes have like 60 amp ESCs because they're so huge in size. But this thing is so tiny, it's got little 5 amp ESCs. The recommended battery is a little 1-cell 300 milliamp hour LiPo battery. EMAX says in their testing they were able to get 3 minutes of flight time on the included battery, and I will tell you that they are not lying because I flew it around just a while ago in the house, and I guess my battery wasn't fully charged, and I still got 3 minutes, and it just kept on flying. It's really good. Now, this is an indoor race drone for competitions in the winter or whenever you want to fly indoors, but EMAX put some rate profiles on it. So you have profile number 1, which is basically indoors, which you're going to see in this video, me flying it around. But they also have profile number 2, which I'll show you. You set up on your computer in Betaflight. I'll show you that in a second. But let me show you first what comes in the box. First item in the box is the NanoHawk. Just in case you lose your props, they give you 1, 2, 3, 4. There, I dropped them all over the place. 4 props. They also give you extra screws, a battery strap, and a little screwdriver to unscrew or screw in the extra screws. You do get a 300 milliamp hour 1-cell LiPo battery included. You also get the battery charger, and it can charge up 6 batteries at once. So if you buy 6 of these, or I should say 5 more since 1 comes with the drone, then you're all set for a long flight time. You also get 2 cables that you can use to attach to the batteries to attach to the charger so that everything works together. Finally, you get a QR code which takes you to the manual for USA and Canada and international, and you get EMAX stickers. Now I'm going to take this for a flight around my house, but before I do that, let me show you the rates profile that you can change. It comes defaulted at profile number 1. But you can change it to profile number 2. So I have a camera here looking at my laptop that is running Betaflight. So you have to have Betaflight. Take a little USB cable, plug it into your tiny hawk, and you're all set. So let's plug that in. There we go. It should come to life. And Betaflight's coming to life. So let me go over here and start it up and show you. I'll hit connect. There we are. You can see my little drone on the screen. So as I move it, it moves on the screen. And let me show you where you can change the profile. So if you're going to fly indoors, leave it on profile 1, but if you're going to fly outdoors, put it on profile 2, and then you can do freestyle, acrobats, and all the stuff like a big drone can do. So all you do is on the left of your screen, go down to where it says PID tuning, so PIDs, and there you go, right at the top. PID tuning, right up here it says it, and you can see my fingers pointed, and it says profile 1, and you can change that. Click on profile 2, and there we go, everything should have changed down here. And it's a little bit more spunky for outdoors. And then, whoa, it says my McAfee's expired. Click on the save button and you're all set to fly this with the new rates. All right, so about 15 minutes ago, I flew my NanoHawk around the house, and I'm going to show you that video now. Here we go. All right, I'm pretty excited because I'm going to try the NanoHawk indoors for the very first time. Little tiny it is. Now, outdoors, it's not very nice. Here, I've got a GoPro. Check this out. I'm going to turn the camera. Look outside. It's pretty much a dull, wintry kind of day out there. Pretty cold and dull, nothing exciting happening. All right, to fly the NanoHawk, I'm going to use my QX7 right here, which is OpenTX, which is perfect for this type of thing. And to record the video, I have my Fat Shark HD02s, kind of overkill for flying indoors. You know, these things are really good for outdoors, but it should be all right to fly around here and record the video. Here we go. All right, so let's slide the battery in and connect it, and everything should be good to go. All right, connect the battery. There we go. Good lights happening. Let's spin it around, get it ready for takeoff. All right, let's put the Fat Sharks on. Now I have to warn everybody, Fat Sharks are not known for the recording capabilities, so the image is not going to look that great, but bear with me. I'll slide over to the side of the image. I'll put the Fat Shark display up there. Where's my radio? I can't see a thing. All right, so let's arm this. I'm going to hold this up, arm. And there we go. Let's take off. Go down the hall, try not to hit the walls. Ooh, this is fast. There's a Christmas tree. Whoa, 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 whoa. And I keep saying land now on my screen. That just means the battery is low. I thought I've charged it. Maybe I put in a dead battery. All right, it's still flying though. There we go. It's flying around the house. You can go fast or slow. I'm going slow. If you want to go around or under things, let me see. It's designed for indoor racing, indoor flying. Look at this. Whipping it around here. No problems. There I am right there. Bean it over my head. I thought that was coming at me. Here we go. All right, going. Whoa, that was close. All right, let's land it. Go around one more time and land it on my table. Coming, coming, coming. Gonna land it right in front of me. I'll slow it down, slow it down. There we go. Go under the table and land right there. Now, I don't know if there's enough battery power left, but I've just opened the door and I'm going to try to fly it outside. Hopefully I don't lose it. Here we go. All right, there's just a little bit of power left. Let's arm it again and fly up and around. Go around my kitchen. We're going to go out the door right here. Woohoo! There we are outside. I know it says land now. Got to bring it back. Don't want to lose this. It's so small. Come back through my door. Where's the door? Oh, here it is over here. Go past me and all the way over to the Christmas tree and all the way back to me. We'll go land over. It's enough power to get it going. Whoa, over. Whoa. That was a crash landing. All right, I'm seeing if I can focus on everything that comes in the box here. So what did you think of that flight? Now remember, I had to film with my Fat Sharks, and Fat Sharks are not very good at capturing video. Matter of fact, anytime you record in Fat Sharks, it's only designed so that if you lose your drone, you replay the video. That's all they're designed for, to go find where you lost your drone. They are not designed, Fat Sharks, to record quality video. So you get those lines and those blips and the static and everything all over the place. That's just Fat Shark recording. So ignore that. And yeah, you saw this little pinhole camera. Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, so if you'd like to order the little NanoHawk, I believe it is only $99 US. They wanted to keep it under 100 and you get everything I showed in the box. So check it out. The links are below this video. I think it's launched today, so go check it out on their website. If you have any questions on the NanoHawk, just post them below. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will catch you in future videos with many more drone reviews. Take care.